Rupununi villages on Sunday last received a timely donation of a minibus and canter truck from the government. The vehicles were handed over by Minister of Social Protection, the Honorable Amna Ali.
This donation was made possible through the Ministry's Sustainable Livelihood Entrepreneurship Development SLED program. Village Councillor BEDANIE Charles, representing Moraranao Village, located in the deep South Rupununi, said the minibus will reduce transportation woes.
Thank you once again. I hope that the village will be so thankful for this bus, and I hope, according to what the minister has said, that they will be careful with this bus. The driver must be careful also, not driving it anyhow they want, not just because they didn't buy it off their pocket, but they must be caring for this bus. It is a good transportation for their purpose.
Accepting the canter truck from Minister Ali for the township of Latem and its surrounding communities was the founder and president of Guyana Hearts United Group, NORMA Griffith. This, she said, will help the organization in its mission of improving people's lives.
This canter will assist the communities, not only in Latem Central, but the entire Rupununi, for those farmers who would need transportation to bring out their produce to the Latem market. So we in Latem as well can enjoy the wonderful organic produce. We don't have to purchase anything that is GMO from Brazil. We will have our own natural food here in the region.
NEOLA, DAMON, InfoHub.